Hello students, my name is Archana Garg and today I am coming with a very exciting topic, that is tetralogy of Fallot. So what is tetralogy of Fallot? It is a congenital heart defect जो कि babies को, newborn babies को कब affect होता है? Before birth, because it is a congenital defect, so it happens before birth during the pregnancy. There are so many reasons for the causes of tetralogy of Fallot. For example, when the mother is having alcohol, she is having cigarette smoking or taking alcohol, and some congenital abnormality also cause this defect. What has happened in this defect? As you know, the normal blood circulation, when in the normal blood circulation, the deoxygenated blood comes from superior vena cava and inferior vena cava of the heart, and that enters in the right atrium and then goes to right ventricles. This is all about deoxygenated blood. Then this deoxygenated blood goes to the pulmonary arteries, and from the pulmonary arteries it goes to the lungs, and from lungs it carry oxygen, and after taking oxygen it comes in the left side of the heart, it comes in the left ventricles. The blood that comes in the left ventricle from the lungs, it is oxygenated blood. When it comes in left ventricles, it then goes into the left ventricles and then aorta, and from the aorta the blood circulate in the whole body. So this is all about normal blood circulation of the heart. But what happens in tetralogy of Fallot? So this is a congenital abnormality in which the septum is not formed properly, or there is an abnormal opening between the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Right ventricles and left ventricles के बीच में जो सेप्टम होता है वो प्रॉपरली बनेगा नहीं, या तो कंप्लीटली नहीं बनेगा या फिर वो इनकम्प्लीट बनेगा. सो देयर इज एन एबनॉर्मल ओपनिंग बिटवीन द राइट एंड लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द वेंट्रिकल्स. If there is abnormal opening, what happens? There are four main defects. As the name indicates, tetralogy. Tetra means four. Tetra means four, and in this whole disease, there are four main defects. Four defects that happens in the tetralogy of Fallot. The first is narrowing of pulmonary output. This is the pulmonary output, pulmonary artery, which happens. What is happened there? It become narrow. Due to this, the blood that has to go from this artery, it obstructed because the pathway become very narrow. जो इसका रास्ता होगा पल्मोनरी आर्टरी का वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा नैरो हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से जो ब्लड जाना था आर्टरीज में और लंग्स की तरफ वो ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट होगा. दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पल्मोनरी स्टेनोसिस. द टर्म ऑफ नैरोइंग ऑफ पल्मोनरी आर्टरी इज पल्मोनरी stenosis. This artery will become narrow like this. The next defect is ventricular septal defect. The abnormal opening between right and left ventricle is a ventricular septal defect. The term is called ventricular septal defect, an abnormal opening. Then third defect is aorta connect to both ventricles. That means when there is an abnormal opening, the aorta is slightly shift to the right side of the ventricles. It should not shift because there is oxygenated blood in left ventricles which has to go into aorta, but due to this abnormal opening, the aorta slightly shift to the right side, and the oxygenated blood then mix with the deoxygenated blood. So this is the third defect, aorta connect to the both ventricles, or we can also say aortic shift. Fourth defect is hypertrophy of the right ventricles. Hypertrophy means there are number of abnormal cell growth. Hypertrophy is this thing. When there is abnormal cell growth in the right side. Why this happen? Because there is an abnormal opening. So from the right side of the ventricle, the blood goes to the left side of the ventricle with the high pressure, and to increase the pressure, the heart then abnormally create so many number of cells which cause hypertrophy of the right side. Hypertrophy of the right side occurs in tetralogy of Fowler only when there is an abnormal opening. So hypertrophy क्या है, बहुत सारे number of cells यहाँ पे grow कर जाएंगे so that right side से left side में blood जो है वो pressure के साथ force के साथ shift करे. So this is hypertrophy of right ventricle. There are 4 defects in tetralogy of Fowler. The first one is the abnormal opening and aortic shift, hypertrophy of cells and narrowing of pulmonary artery. Now next come to the sign and symptoms. So mainly sign and symptoms are related to deficiency of oxygen. There is a very famous sign and symptom which is called TET spell, or it is also called blue spell, TET spell or blue spells. What happen in this? There is oxygen deficiency. Due to this defect, the baby suffer from oxygen deficiency as usual, because right side of the blood is mixed with the left side of the blood and left side of the blood is mixed with the right side of the blood. So when there is a demand of the body to carry oxygenated blood, they get deficiency of oxygen, or due to deficiency of oxygen the baby leads to cyanosis, and this is called TET spells. What are the symptoms under this TET spells? Baby is suffering from shortness of breath. सांस लेने में उसे दिक्कत होगी, और we can say dyspnea. Baby is suffering from shortness of breath. Why this happen? Because of the deficiency of oxygen. Then hypoxemia. Hypoxemia is hypo means deficiency, oxemia means blood. Deficiency of oxygen in blood. Then cyanosis. Again, cyanosis means bluish discoloration of the body, especially in the peripherals, means in the fingers, in toes. So peripheral areas में specially blue discoloration हमें नजर आएगी. That is cyanosis. मतलब बेबी जो है वो blue कलर का होना शुरू हो जाएगा. And next is loss of consciousness. होली होली बेबी जो है वो बेहोशी की हालत में चला जाएगा due to deficiency of blood. Especially TET spells या blue spells, ये किस केस में एक emergency condition है. कब होता है ये? When baby is crying. When baby is crying excessively, वो बेबी बहुत ज़्यादा रो रहा है, तो उस टाइम पे TET spells जो है हमें देखने में मिलेगा. और when the baby is feeding, जब वो खाना खा रहा है, और when the baby is doing any activity, that time he can suffer from loss of breath and hypoxia. Next are the diagnoses. What are the diagnoses of this defect? How can we diagnose? So first is echocardiogram, and next is ECG, then MRI. MRI is done if we have to take the surgical repair, because MRI में हम जो colored vision है वो देख पाएंगे properly, जो कि surgery करने में हमें easy रहेगा. Then CT scan and X-ray. These are the 5 confirmatory diagnostic tests. Then is the treatment. What is the treatment? How can we treat this condition? So firstly, there is narrowing of pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery narrow हो रही है इस condition में. Narrow होने की वजह से जो blood circulation है वो block हो रहा है. ब्लड सर्कुलेशन ब्लॉक हो रहा है, तो आगे जाके साइनोसिस सफर कर रहा है बेबी. तो इस चीज को हम ट्रीट करने के लिए सबसे पहले तो क्या देंगे? वेजोडाइलेटर्स. वेजोडाइलेटर्स आर व्हाट? विच डायलेट द ब्लड वेसल्स, जो कि इस नैरोइंग ऑफ पल्मोनरी आर्टरी को डायलेट करने की कोशिश करेगा. और डायलेशन क्यों करेगा? ताकि जो ब्लड है वो इजीली सप्लाई हो सके, लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ वो कम जाए और इजीली वो ऊपर पल्मोनरी आर्टरी की तरफ जा सके. And the most important is surgical repair, or it is also called intracardiac surgical repair. Intracardiac means open heart surgery होगी. इसमें हार्ट सर्जरी करनी पड़ेगी. उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्टली यहाँ पे एक शंट डाला जाएगा. शंट क्यों डाला जाएगा? ताकि ब्लड जो है वो इजीली फ्लो कर सके. इस आर्टरी को, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी को डायलेट करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे एक शंट डालेंगे. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी विल डू, यहाँ पे एक मैश लगाई जाएगी ताकि इस एबनॉर्मल ओपनिंग को क्लोज किया जा सके. टू क्लोज द एबनॉर्मल ओपनिंग, द डॉक्टर विल प्लेस अ मैश so that blood doesn't go from right side to left side or left side to right side. So we will place a shunt and place a mesh between the right and left side, and on the abnormal opening we will completely repair this. So these are the 2 methods of preventing the tetralogy of Fowler and the surgical interventions. So this is all about tetralogy of Fowler. I hope you understand my video and you will like my videos.